Guys, welcome back to Educational Guru. Today we are going to learn 5 hacks to concentrate on studies. Now in these days there are a lot of distractions and I have made a video on that to how to avoid distractions. Do watch that video and then come to this video. First hack is to do the meditation. You know what is meditation? Meditation is like you have a peace in yourself. You feel the peace and the concentration level of your mind becomes too high. So do concentrate and do meditate. Second hack for the concentration is to have a balance or a light diet. If you have a very heavy diet, you will be going to sleep because this is a lazy person, thing. So do have a light diet. The third hack is to stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water, different types of juices, etc. So it makes your mind a lot of powerful and energetic. Next thing is to set a goal. This hack says that you have to set a goal, that how many chapters you have to complete today, how much you will learn or study today. So set a goal for you and yourself. Okay, the next hack is to be productive. Why? Because if you will be attentive, if you will be so productive, then your mind will work 100 times better and it will help you to stay fit. Now like, share and subscribe and comment to Educational Guru, and do comment. You don't do comment, guys. Do comment how you like the video. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more updates.